Hello friends, we are looking for a spot for tonight. And this is here in Opea minefield, and this is the river. We might be taking a bath again. Oh, the doggy. Cutie pie.
I think I'm going to get my shoes wet. It doesn't matter.
There's a dog.
Hmm? Stop.
Huh?
Stop.
You're there. Here.
Where?
The other way.
Oh, yeah.
This is a smaller river.
Yeah. But I think there's two rivers.
Yeah, coming here and coming that side.
Yeah, they both join.
See, there's a lot of space. There's a lot of space.
Pardon?
There's a lot of space.
Right.
This is the perfect spot.
Okay.
This is Opea.
Yeah, okay. I thought that was a fire.
You can make a fire because there's a lot of,
Yeah.
if you want. Oh, ano ito?
Pardon?
They're all guys in the other side,
Yeah.
campers. Oh, there's kangaroo, babe. There's a big kangaroo down
Oh,
there.
yeah.
Oh.